Okay guys, I wanted to show you weekend special meal for for this dancing dog over here. His name is Alexander. He's 13 and a half years old, and he gets about 300 to 350 grams of a PMR meal a day. This is what he has. His special meal today is a semi-frozen quail. As you can see, he's got a whole quail. This is heart, little more heart because he's a senior dog. This is my bone-in piece of meat that he's going to, the sarcina that I keep showing you guys. It's got meat, it's got a little bit of fat because we're going through winter, and he'd probably burn it up in order to eat. And there's meat attached alongside. As you can see, there's liver. This is liver. Okay, 2 pieces of liver. Like I said, organ quantity is more for him. He's got spleen. This is spleen. Tili. Spleen is what we call tili. And this, of course, is a fish. Okay, for omega-3 that he gets on a Saturday. I'm also going to top it up because it's his special meal. He gets green lip mussel, which is basically for joints and muscles. Green lip mussel is a good antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and it helps with joint issues for old dogs. So because he has terrible bones, he gets half a capsule. He's a small one. That's what he gets. So this is what happens. So this is half the capsule. As you can see, I opened the capsule up and I put in half of the green lip mussel on his diet. The other half will go to one of my other beagles because it's special day today. So this is what his meal is for today. This is how happy we are. This is Mr. Dancing Dog, 13 and a half-year-old dancing dog waiting for his meal. And I give him his meal. And there he goes. He has joint issues. He doesn't know how to squat and eat his meal. But that's him. As you can see, for me, I see him go after the fish first, which is interesting. I always like to watch for what the dog goes after first. So if you see, he's actually finished the heart pieces first and the liver pieces first. Then he's gone for the fish. The instinct that a dog follows when he eats his meal is very, very important. So as you can see, he's gone after the organs first. He's decided to go after this quail next. In his case, he's probably leaving the best for the last because he really loves his sarcina bone-in piece of meat. So he's decided to go after the quail first. As you can see, it's a whole quail, and you can see him rotating around his jaws because he doesn't know how to sit and eat. So he crunches down. This is not him chewing, he's breaking it down by rotating it around his jaws. He's had half of it now, second half goes in. He's going to take a lot longer to deal with the bone-in, but that's okay. He's pretty efficient with how he does it. He's figured out his ways of dealing with it. He found a piece of liver and heart sitting around under the bone-in, so he's going after it first. See, the dog's preference of the order in which he eats his PMR tells you a lot about what he likes and what he doesn't like. Not just that, it also tells us about what is the nutritional requirement. So for an older dog, I keep talking about how multivitamins are important for the dog's own immunity. You can see he's going after the organs first. Now he settles down with his bone-in. He has figured his own way of eating his bone-in meat. So this is him slicing out the meat first. He's actually using the side of his teeth to take off the meat of the sides of the bone, and then he'll go after the bone itself. See, look at him, how beautifully he's going around it. It's almost like he's cutting the meat off the side of the bone. There. Restructuring, reholding, going after the meat on the other side. This work that they do with bone and meat pieces is really, really important for the dog's dental hygiene. The older, the better. For some of you people who keep asking about the size of the bone and the size of the meat piece, do you see how big this piece is for his jaw? And that's the reason he has to figure out how to tackle it in order to consume it. And it's the best way that you can give meat to a dog that eats very fast. Alexander eats very fast, even at 13.5 years of age. Half in, little bit left. Look at him rotate. You can see his shining teeth. For those of you who have Friegels, you will know how horrible their teeth are and how difficult it is for them to actually be able to tackle meat like this. But I'm so proud of this guy. Right from day one, he was interested in his raw and he loved it. So it's kept his teeth beautifully clean. This is him cleaning his teeth, by the way. I will try and find one of the dogs that comes to stay with me who's on PMR to try and show you. This is not the natural way that a dog eats a bone-in meal. This is a dog with arthritis and lots of bone issues. He has figured out how to use only his mouth to tackle the large pieces. So he rotates it around beautifully on his own. Most dogs would sit down on their haunches, put this between their feet, and then work it round. Sorry, a continuous video would have taken time. Another 3 minutes have passed. He's on the last bit. He's managed to cut off all the meat and he's now going after the actual crunching of the cartilaginous sarcina bone, which is basically part of the sternum. Yes, I hear you. That's another dog who's decided that she wants raw as well, but she can't have raw. She's not a raw fed dog. Sorry about that, guys.